Guys, this is the Montgomery Ceiling Fan. Give me a good, I'm just counting lamps. It's getting dark. Where's the switch? Here it is. Here we go. So, here's a Montgomery Ceiling Fan. Well, it's sold at Home Depot, but under no brand. And it's just called Montgomery. It's just like the Littleton, which is now Home Depot Littleton, and the Middleton, which is now Home Depot Middleton, and the Farmington and the Bellina, which are all sold at Home Depot under the no-name category. Just like this fan. It's now Home Decorators Collection.
Oh. I use some hand sanitizer. Hand soap. It might smell a little bit different that one.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a different brand. Still works though.
There we go. Anyways, light here is low. This fan replaced something vintage. It could have been Alaska, but I was like shocked when it got replaced, and I was like, I didn't want this fan to get replaced because on the listing it just said, it just showed a vintage fan. I wish that fan was still here, but it's sad. It's just like how that Hunter Summer Breeze at that place I stayed at back in 2017 and 18 got replaced with a HTC Petersford, but the passport was still there. I don't know what they did with the passport, but there was a house right by that had a early Hampton Bay Landmark 4-blade. That had bent blade. They took, but in 2018 they took two of the blades off because one of the blade arms probably broke. Then they put 2 blades on it, and then they replaced it with the Haiku last time I drove. So anyways, it's about low. Here's medium. Light. Medium's just low. I don't know why. Maybe use resistors. I don't know. Like I said, sold under Home Depot brand with no name. I just call them Montgomery then. So anyways, die. Well, last time I was here, it made a kind of a ticking noise, but that might have gone away. Still,
Can you go close the windows upstairs?
I did.
Oh, you did, thanks.
Still wobbles a ton, a little bit though. It does move a lot, a little bit of air. It's decent amount of air, but not that much. I am not going to reverse it because the last demonstration I reversed it, but it might contain germs. So I gotta be respectful. Not to reverse it. Well, if things are normal, then I could reverse it. Here we go. That is the Home Decorators. No, bleh. Montgomery Ceiling Fan. Thanks for watching.